Sri Lanka has over the years been a thriving nexus of global commerce to the South Asian region and is strategically located amidst the major sea and air routes in the Indian Ocean. Sri Lanka today is a stable, peaceful and reconciled country with promising growth prospects. By the year 2025, the bold growth agenda of Sri Lanka envisages to raise per capita income, create 1 million new jobs, increase foreign direct investment and double exports. These intermediate targets, combined with a commitment to creating sustainable livelihoods, lay the foundation for our Vision 2025, which is set to elevate Sri Lanka to an upper middle income country. A number of key investments in infrastructure since 2010, led by the Northeastern and Southern Economic Development Corridors and including the Colombo Port City Development, the Colombo International Financial Center, the Western Region Megapolis Project and other infrastructure projects continue to lay the foundation for further growth. Foreign governments, corporations and the international community at large have been quick to acknowledge the immense potential of our economic vision. Restoration of the GSP Plus concession, new trade agreements with global giants, investments by internationally acclaimed corporations, and ever-increasing tourist arrivals are strong endorsements of Sri Lanka's potential and vision for tomorrow. Structural reforms, including tax and foreign exchange policies, are set to further create a business and investment-enabling environment. At the heart of our economic development is our capital market, and the Colombo Stock Exchange holds the mantle of driving our nation's growth through the energetic raising of capital within a responsible and well-regulated market. The CSE was incorporated as a company limited by guarantee over 30 years ago. We are licensed and regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission of Sri Lanka, which is a member of the International Organization of Securities Commissions. Our core stakeholder base constitutes of stockbroking institutions, issuers spread across 20 industry groups, and other market intermediaries. International institutional investors have maintained a strong presence in the Sri Lankan stock market since the early 90s, and even today consider Sri Lanka as a mainstay when managing their investments. Very much like Sri Lanka at large, the Sri Lankan stock market is also embracing a phase of growth-driven change, spurred by the proposed demutualization of the exchange, diversification of our product portfolio, the introduction of a new SEC Act, the listing of large state-owned enterprises, and the introduction of a multi-currency board. Within this growth framework, the Sri Lankan stock market offers a unique opportunity for you to take part in a rapidly growing economy through an exchange that on average performed better than most global indices in recent years. The Sri Lankan private sector is set to play a key role in our country's growth agenda, and the CSE offers you access to the cream of the crop. Sri Lanka is your gateway to wealth and value creation within a landscape of peace, stability and growth. So let's invest, let's create new partnerships, and let's reap the potential of South Asia's rising star, Sri Lanka. Invest through the Colombo Stock Exchange.